gonna be organizing my room. I want to like redo everything and throw away things I don't want anymore, keep the things that I do want. There's gonna be a lot of stuff to do. I did start, I think yesterday, I was in a little bit of today, this morning, on my room. I was taking out clothes and stuff, but let me show you guys what I have so far. It is a mess, so please bear with me. It's still work in process. Still work in progress. Oh my god, I had lipstick on my teeth again. Here is the closet. I got two closets. This is with my pants and shoes, and that one for the coats and stuff, but we're gonna figure it out with this closet first. So my plan is taking all these shoes out and all of the rest of the clothes, because I literally have no more space up there. I'm gonna take those boxes out, maybe throw them in the trash. I don't know why I keep them. I don't know why. I should probably throw them away. They like have no use. Anyways, take this out, and then I will be putting that in my closet, and then I'll have like white boxes of these and put my extra clothes in there because they don't fit in here anymore. As you can see, it is a mess, guys. It is a freaking mess, guys. Like one of my goals is to be clean, to be organized, but first we need to get my room organized so I can start being more clean, if that makes sense. Okay guys, here is the damage right now. It's horrible, it's bad, but got the little shelf thing in here. I'm kind of lazy to finish this. I'm gonna go through these shoes and check which ones I want, which ones I don't want. I do want these, some little cowboy boots or whatever. It's January 4th, 12 p.m. I am still not done with my room, so let's go ahead and continue on. But first of all, I'm having a dilemma. Like, I want to paint my room now. I'm going to paint my room light pink. I'm going to clean everything out, push it out. I'm going to put it in the kitchen for now.
What the dog do?
Let's take these posters off very gently because these are viable, you know. Just gonna very gently take this off. Oh, there we go. And I'm just gonna place it on my bed for now and take this off, my BTS off. Oh my god, it feels so empty. It literally feels like I'm moving. It feels so empty already. My bad. All the sticky tack thing is on the wall. I'm gonna have to try my best to take them off. I don't know how, but hey, we're gonna try. Let me get some supplies. Okay, so here's what I got. I got some sanding sticks, bands, whatever, and then I got some clay supplies that I'm gonna try to scrape off the sticky tack. Let's see if it works. It's working. Yay, it actually does work perfectly. It's actually, I forgot to show you guys, but here is what we have. There's so many holes. Look at these holes right here. These are freaking huge, bro. I don't know what the heck that put here. There was huge holes. Oh wait, I think it was this. My dad did mess up a little bit on here, but we might have to get something into like a little clay thing or whatever to put it there. Look at my room. It is so empty. It's empty. We went to go buy the paint at Menard. I decided to go with a very light pink color, and then I went on TikTok to see how to cover up the holes on the walls, and we got the Dry Dex heavyweight spackling and then a spatula. So I'm gonna do this now. It's pink, but it's supposed to turn white apparently. We'll have to see. Huge holes, bruh. We're gonna cover it up. I did sand it earlier. I'm gonna sand it again though. I'm gonna just use a nail filer and just sand it out just like so. I just grab some like that and then just place it on the wall, on the hole. Oh God. I definitely do not look good right now, but it's time to paint. I can't wait. I'm excited. We're gonna start painting. I'm only gonna paint this wall because I got it with the vanity and all, but hold on, let me show you guys. So here it is. I moved my bed in the middle and the patches are all dry. I just need to sand them out and then I can start painting. I'm gonna try my very best to stay in the lines or whatever. I got the sanding files and then I guess that's possible. I sanded down the best I could. Right? Color. Isn't it so cute? You can't see it on camera really, but it's cute. It's glossy, guys. Oh God. That wall is finished, and then I painted a little bit on this wall and a little bit on that wall. That wall is good now. I put the second coat earlier on today. Now it is time for me to do the second coat for this bit. My father said he's gonna do some flooring as well, so yay, I am excited for that. He's gonna remove the carpet and put floors. Who knows when's gonna happen? Maybe Sunday, maybe today if he like gets home early, so we'll see. My daddy's finally gonna do the carpet. I'm not done painting yet though. This is going to take a while. Ta-da! My father finished this in what, 2 days? Insane. And then he did the closet. He is literally almost done. He needs one more piece left and it is over. Holy moly. Look at this. This is cute. The last piece. Here's the final results. Well, insane. But it's been a while once more yet again. I changed my room. I don't know how many times. Probably like 6, 7, 8 times, 9, 10, 11, 12, 57 times. But this is the final movement. My bed's gonna be right there. The vanity with the shelves and then my drawers. This removing the mirror definitely helped a lot. I think it looks much more better, but obviously I'm gonna need to fix this up, paint it up a little bit, make it glossy, and then it should be good. And then we have all this empty space right here. I'm gonna add a little couch. And then over there is the bookshelf over there, so I can add a PlayStation and some albums and stuff. I am so excited. Obviously on these things you can't put nothing too heavy, but I need like a white and pink stuff. I'm gonna get a white jewelry box and place it on here. And yes ma'am, it looks amazing. Guys, I am in love. I am in love. These are so freaking cute. Oh, I can't wait to see the other one. So cute. Now it's time to do the makeup. This is going to be a separate video, so make sure to guys check that out. Here they are. The shelves are placed in. Please don't mind the bed. I need to clean it up. But I did put an Ariana perfume on. That looks cute. And then I had gathered some albums, pink and white albums. They're from Twice and BTS. So I'm gonna try to, I don't know, organize them cute as possible. I am only gonna put 2. Yes, I think that is cute. That is very cute. I bought this on Amazon. I saw on Pinterest people decorate this with their TV or monitor. So I will be trying as well to do it on that TV since it's black and everything else is white. Let's not look over here because it's a huge mess. Is it straight?
Mm-hmm.
I messed it up already. Is it straight?
Nope.
Where?
Up. Right there.
Right
Nope.
here?
Down.
Right here?
Yes. What's the point of it? Does it light up?
No. Just to make it white.
This? That's not worth it.
It is worth it.
It's not good.
It's not good?
No, it's so bad.
Let me see. On my nightstand, it looks so cute. Definitely not too much, but not too little, and it fits perfectly right here. How it looks like next to the bed. I think it is very, very cute. I like it, but I need to get a plug and connect it under my bed because there's no plug on this wall, and I only have 2 plugs. One's right there, and then one is back there behind my bed. Now it is time for me to paint this ugly dookie thing, bruh. I've had this since forever already. It has been with me for years, but it is time to help her out a little bit and make her better. Here it is. Wow! It's not finished, but this is what we have so far. And then we just need a bookshelf in the corner, my bed, and then I did bring in the sofa here. I don't know if I showed you guys the sofa, but here's the sofa that I ordered from Amazon. I just hate that it's really wrinkly, but I think the more you sit on it, maybe it'll get less wrinkly. Who knows? I'm not really 100% sure, but we have that there. The bad YouTuber, I forget to record things and stuff, but let me show you guys what new I have brought into my room. Finally, the last thing that my dad had to build, it is finally done, and it looks amazing. It is so cute. The bookshelf! Look how cute the bookshelf is! Oh my god. It is actually the perfect size. It is cute. It is simple. I love it so much. Now it's finally to place the PlayStation, my albums, and more things. Not too much, but more things. It's definitely Pinterest, bruh. It's so Pinterest, bruh. Love it so much. It's so freaking cute, guys. I definitely don't like match with my room, but I swear, I love it so much. Oh my god. W Day, we got the BTS tickets, we got Twice tickets, and my room is fixed. Oh my god. Oh my god. Here's me on top of the bed. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe. I will have a separate video of me decorating and organizing my stuff with a full room tour as well. So stay tuned for that. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!